Hello, it is MrBolego showing you how to build Lego rocket launchers. Or just launchers, whatever you want to call them. So I'm going to show you this one. Pretty cool. And this one. This is my favorite one. Okay. Let's start off with this one. Okay, so what you're gonna need, you are gonna need one black stud, one black little robot hand, one black canister, this. Okay, a black pole, and one of these. I'm going to show you the top. Okay, so here's what you're going to start up. You're going to take your stud and this piece and click the stud on top of it. So it looks like this. Now, you're gonna take your little canister and stick it to what looks like that. Now, you're gonna stick your canister inside the pole to where it looks like this. And then you're gonna take your little handle, stick it like right behind the canister to where it looks like this. So that's my favorite one. Now I'm gonna get to this little, I don't know what this should be called. Okay. Get it's breaking up. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna need one of these pieces, a little antenna thingy, another one of these, which is at the top, gray or blue, I choose blue, one of these little pieces. I'm gonna flip it up. Can't see that. There, and one of these, another one. Okay, so you're gonna start off with these two, the little thingy, the little antenna thing, and click it on the back like that. Like that. Okay, now you are gonna take this little thing and stick the blue thing in there to where it looks like this. Let me show you that way. Looks like that. And then you stick it on your little, that part. So it looks like that. And then you take this little thingy, stick it at the bottom.
Because I couldn't understand anything you just said.
Who?
So what did you say on your messages?
Okay, and then you take your little one of these pieces and stick it on that piece, that part, right there, that gray piece.
Okay. All right. Well, we will probably be there in about, I don't know, what time should we be there?
Looks like.
You want us to come soon?
So it looks like that.
Okay. Maybe like 45 minutes.
And that is your little
okay? All right. Bye, honey.
MrBolego is signing.
Hey, guys.